Hello YouTubers, today I want to show you a Warlord Games bolt action British Commonwealth Infantry 30 hard plastic 28mm multi-pose miniatures. We're going to look at a tree today of those miniatures so you can kind of see what you're going to get when you get the British Commonwealth Infantry box. And let's open this up and we'll get right to it. Okay, so we've opened up the box. We pulled out one tree. They're all the same. So we want to check this out so you can see what you're going to get with this. I'm going to check out some of the heads first. Those look really cool. As you can see, they are pretty awesome. Those are just some of the heads that you'll get with this kit. There's some arms. We get our Thompsons with some more arms. That's even a magazine in his hand. Mortar. Machine gun with the bipod. Another machine gun. You could probably even put that bipod on there if you want. Here are some of the figures. Got a rifle. There's a bayonet on it. Looks like we're charging with these ones. Here are some more. This is one of the bodies that lay down. You get your pistol, anti-tank gun with some sandbags. Even got a pick. Got some more sandbags. We got their packs. This is too cool. Shovel. All kinds of stuff that comes with this. Here's our officer's head. So that is just one of the trees that you're going to get with this set. It also comes with all the pieces, your bases to put your figures on. And it also comes with an extra pack of weapons. And this is really, really cool. We're going to take a look at this box real quick. There is the box. Front. Oop. The side. Flip me all around here. That. And then we'll check out the back. Shows you what colors to use. Gives you a little bit of a... Talks about the guys. Some pictures. Looks really cool. Tells you what all you get inside. Plastic bases. Construction leaflet. You get your option of Australian, South African, New Zealand, and long-range patrol SAS heads. And you get 30 of these guys. So that is really, really cool. Your Bren gun, that's that big machine gun. So that's really, really cool. And if you want to see how one of these turn out, just check out my paint tutorial. I did use a different head. I used an SS head for that guy. I didn't actually use one of these. I'll probably do another paint tutorial soon on one of these guys. Go with one of these heads instead. And just have fun with it. And take the time to thank a veteran. And God bless.